What's guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're unboxing the Revel or Monogram 1969 Camaro Indy pace car. So let's go to the box, so it's in the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take over detail later on. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and get started off with the decal sheet. So since this is the Indy pace car, so you do have all your Indy pace car paint scheme with the white and the orange stripes. You do have your interior stitching pattern, the white checker flag that goes on the back of the car. Really nice decals, and then you do have your Goodyear decals for your tires, which is pretty cool. Your SS badges and your door decals right there, so really nice. 1996 decal sheet this is, so looks pretty good. Clear parts, so you do have your main window with your sun visors on there, and you have your headlights. I think that's for the other version of the Camaro, because there are multiple versions of this kit, so you're not using those headlights. But you have your windshield washer fluid, your fog lights, your indicator lights, and then there's your rear window. I don't think you'll be using that in this kit, even though mine is scratched up, but that doesn't matter because I can use it anyway because it's a convertible. But really nice. Tail lights, you do have your tail lights here. You do have two different versions. You do have your old-fashioned Vivid version, or you have a nice smooth tail lights, already tinted in pure red. Really nice for that. Chrome tree, there's quite a bit in here. Your mirror max or mirror lens on there. What's it? Your hood pins, I'm assuming. I'm not sure. Here is your grill, your SS badge grill. Nice black wash will bring that right out. Your valve cover covers, your engine filter, your nice wheels, stock wheels. Again, another black wash will bring those right out. More engine components. Your stock valve covers looks like. License plate frames, your interior rear window, or mirror, shifter. There is your bumpers, separate door handles, which is nice. Look at nice chrome tree. Alrighty, let's get into the white molded plastic. First tree is going to have your front suspension, your rear diff, your radiator, your seat backs with some. I forgot what the heck that was, but that's part of the engine bay, I believe. I'm not sure. There is your dashboard. Really nice wood pattern or black or whatever you want to do in there. And then there is your main interior. Your pedals are molded and your back seats are molded as well. Not too big a deal. You have your rivets in there for your basically your hard top or vinyl top down. Okay, second tree is going to have your front arms for your upper arms for your suspension. There is your convertible top on the down position. Nice rivet detail in there, not rivet, but cloth detail. There is front of your seats, and then you do have your main chassis. Gas tank molded, but not too big a deal because this is pretty much all black anyway. But really nice. Second tree, this one broke off from the other tree, but this is your engine and strut brace for your chassis. Okay, we got some engine parts. You got your headers, some bolts and pulleys, your fan, your cockeyed fan. There is your SS steering wheel, intake, water pump. There is your small block V8, or this could be a big block. I'm not sure what this one has, but there's your V8. There is your stock filter. Your headers, really nice. Your radiator fans or radiator hoses and stuff, coolant hoses. Okay, next tree. Get your battery, steering column, multiple more engine parts. What's that? Filter, wheel backs. It's like steering box, your hood hinge, distributor, power steering pump, or brake booster. Here is your starter, back part of your bumper area of your car. There is your exhaust, really nice. There's a spoiler, more part of your brake booster. Here is your center console. There's another steering wheel. It's like a custom Chevy steering wheel. Okay, final tree. It's gonna have your little flags here for your Indy pace car. That's really, really cool. There is your second one right there. Your door panels, looking very sharp, really nice detail, which is good because this is a convertible, so you're gonna see every single bit of the interior in this one. Here is your firewall. Again, nice detail. You do have your front splitter area. Here's your radiator shroud or radiator, brace. Here is your leaf springs. And you get your nice raised hood here. Underside is kind of shallow, but you do have some texture in there. Really nice, actually. Okay, here we got our convertible 69 Camaro body. Really, really nice. We all seen this body before. Either is a coupe or this one. Revell has issued this kit multiple times with different art boxes and different versions. But really nice, clean mold. And of course, being a convertible, you get your topless right here. Mold lines or panel lines are pretty good, actually. Not too shabby. There are a little bit of mold lines here and there that you can see right there, right there. So not too big a deal. That's easy to sand it out. But overall, really nice. There's a little bit of flashing because this is an older kit. And here is your Chevy SS badge right there that is in the decal sheet. But really nice. You do got a badge in there as well. Windshield wipers are molded in. Just kind of sucks, but not too big a deal. We can deal. Most of us can deal with that. But really, really nice body. And the final piece in this puzzle is going to be your tires. Tires are really nice. You get your tread pattern. They are on a tree, so you are going to have to do some sanding to get them, sand down and more accurate. You do have your Goodyear on there, raised Goodyear, so that's really nice. You do have another weight in here. Tire size, look at that. That's pretty cool. So yeah, the name branded tires. You do have your decals in there to make these Goodyear letters stand out, and white letters. So really nice. But the tread pattern is accurate. They are kind of a very hard vinyl. So, but yeah, very nice. Again, they are in a tree, so you do have to do some more cleanup, but than usual, but not too big a deal. You can easily sand these down, look used, and look really nice. But overall, after taking a very good look at this kit, guys, this is an awesome kit. I'm not sure when Revell has issued this kit any frequently, I should say, but this is a really nice kit. Revell does have a couple of Camaro kits, but again, this is a convertible version. They do have like a one that is in a custom version, but this one particularly is the Indy pace car, so you are getting a little bit of an Indy pace car looks in here. Again, for the instance, for the little flags that goes on the back of a car, which is pretty cool, or it goes into exhaust or whatever. So, but it's a really, really nice kit. If you do find one, pick one up. I got this one for right around $10 at a swap meet, so I'm sure you can find these pretty cheap. But alright, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and until my next video, we'll catch you next time.